Hello spreadsheeters, welcome to another lesson on the basics of spreadsheets. I'll quickly give you an overview of the lesson, but mostly you're doing it on your own, getting on with it yourself like you did last week. It's independent learning. I'm providing all the help, all the links you would need to do this, just as if you were doing it on your own in a lesson with a little help from me, which is the way it should be. You know your lessons, Spreadsheets Today lessons, your class notebook. You should be uploading your work at the end to class notebook on the School VLE is there. For each lesson there's a page on class notebook. The spreadsheet lesson, we're on lesson 4 today. Okay, it's dead simple. You click on it and you're there. I've tried to put numbers in. The main objectives are there as normal. Okay, I'll put numbers 1 to 5. You need to spend 50 minutes on this. 50 minutes work is going to be hard. Have a go. As a starter, okay, and on there, try this quiz here as a starter. Click on here and it'll bring up your starter. Have a go at that. There's even a link down there for it. Okay, we're on the skill buildings. It's in red because you've already done it the last lesson. Do not start again. The last lesson was steps 1, 2, 3 and 4 if you could. This lesson you're continuing. It looks like this. Okay, step 1 an introduction you've done. Step 1, easy. Introduction. Half of you haven't done what's in red, the ones I've been looking at. It's fairly simple what's in red for step 1, and I can see you've not read the instructions. This proves people who are reading the instructions. Try and finish off step 4 if you can. Then on to step 5, step 6. Okay. Now for all the steps, there's help. Okay, there's help there for that one. If you haven't finished that one, I think you need to be spending your 50 minutes on last week's step 3 lessons. So most of you should be on to step 4. It tells you what to do in the orange box. There's some data there and some instructions. Sort. You're going to sort it. As you see, we've got things there in alphabetical order, not in alphabetical order. O and I. We would like it in A to Z order. Now I'm not going to show you how to do it because I want you to have a go. It says right and click. Okay. Highlight the table that you need. Right and click. Number 2 tells you what to do. Okay. The result should have 11 boroughs showing if it's correct. If you need help, there it is. I'm not going to try and let you just copy me or copy somebody else. Have a look at the help that's out there and apply it to this spreadsheet lesson. If you click on these tutorials, it's the same. I'll put them all in the yellow boxes. You click on them and it opens some help pages. For example, this one here. There's too much to read. I don't want you wasting your time reading. Programmers, spreadsheeters are lazy. I need help on sort. I type Control F. Control one finger, F for past find. If you're on a different browser or iPad or a different machine or Google Docs, it might be different, but I think it's the same for most. Type the word you want in. There's 7 occurrences of sort on this page. You go down to it, sorting data. Okay, that's what we need, sorting data in a table, sorting and filtering. A single column sort in a table. So that will help us. Click on that, the video opens. You watch it. You watch it twice. You click play, you click pause. It will play for you. Okay. Now the only problem you might have is this video doesn't work. No problem. Just say you can't watch this video because it's flash and your PC, iPad, desktop, smartphone doesn't play this video. We've got YouTube. So you need help on sorting in a data table. The words there are the ones to search for. You go to YouTube. Put Excel in because we're using Excel. Then put what you need help in. Okay. It shows you lots of different help pages. Now the problem you will have is if you're using the same as at school, straightforward, it's just like school. But some people are using iPads, Google Sheets, whatever spreadsheet you wish to use. As long as you can download the spreadsheets and try and sort it and upload it again for me to see. If you want to put it into a different spreadsheet like Google Sheets, no problem. But I'll remind you to download it from last week if you haven't done it at all. If you have done it, don't start again. Upload or open the one you've currently got and continue the steps. 5, 6, 7. Okay, there's enough work there to keep you busy for 50 minutes. You should easily get some of this done. At the end, upload it to class notebook. As you can see, lesson 3 has got the skills from last week in. Lesson 3. There's your old stuff we did in lesson 2 and lesson 1 from the previous weeks. That's next few lessons, but lesson 3 was last week's. The work goes there. I can see progress. I can give you good marks for working hard, making an effort. If there's nothing there at all, I can't really see your work. I can't judge progress. I can judge nothing if I can't see it. Okay, so no matter how much work you do, upload it to Class Notebook. The link is, as I've said, is on your lesson website. There's Class Notebook. It's on most of my lessons. There it is there again. Okay, spreadsheeters, have a go. Do your best. Keep trying. Don't give up. There's help out there. Don't just sit there and stare when it's not working. Try something else. Move on to the next task. Look for help. Email me if you wish help. I'll be sat at the PC answering emails for the correct time of your lessons. Okay? Good luck. Keep at it. Keep trying. Enjoy working from home. Prove to me you can work better at home than you can in the class. Let's see. Bye for now. Good morning, spreadsheeters. Here we are again for the next lesson on the basics of spreadsheets. Hopefully you can see me okay, but you don't need to see me because you can do the work yourselves. You are independent learners. I'm trying not to help you too much with this video, just a starter to give you a guide. Okay, there's the lesson website, the same as in the classroom. Spreadsheets is today's lesson. You've got your notebook and the school VLE if you need those links. You must upload your work to Class Notebook at the end of the lesson. Okay. When you open the lesson 4 it takes you to, it tells you what we're doing. It's not too hard. I put them in steps 1 to 5. Okay. There's a starter there, number 2, and watch the video. This is the video you're now currently watching. Okay. If you read the instructions here, it tells you what to do. We're going to complete steps 4 to 7. Okay, and make decisions in your spreadsheet model. There's even a video there for you to watch when you want a little break. So 50 minutes working on spreadsheets. Okay, you must remember that we've already started this last week. Okay, so open your skill buildings from the last lesson. Do not start again. There's no point starting again unless you've done nothing. Obviously, introduction steps 1 to 3 should have been done last week. Most of you got to step 4, which is great. We're continuing now, step 4 onwards. If you haven't done it, or you've lost your work, you do need to start again and have something to hand in. Okay? Or instructions. There's some data there and there's some instructions in the orange box. Each one of them got instructions in the orange box. Okay, what to do. But what I've also got here is help. You click on these and it opens help pages or links. For example, the instructions here, we need to sort and filter. We need to sort these columns, sort A to Z. This lot is all in a nice table, but I'd like it in order, alphabetical order A to Z. Okay, then you're going to enable filters and take out so only London boroughs are showing. When you follow these steps, the solution at the end will tell you what you should have. The result should be 11 boroughs showing. As you can see, there is 34 there. I want it in order and I want just the London boroughs showing. This is basic tasks. I'll have a go. If you get stuck, you click on the videos to help you and you get various routines and functions and formulas on my Teach ICT website. Okay, you put the search in the top. Remember, fast find. Control F for fast find. Type the word in you're looking for. If it's saving, you put the word save in there. If it's average, you put average in. We need help on how to sort. So I've typed sorting. It takes me down to sorting and filtering. It's so you don't have to waste your time going through hundreds of text, hundreds of paragraphs to read on this page. You click on the video. It will then show you how to sort in a table. Each of these are small little skills to do. You click play. You watch it once. You watch it twice. When you think you're confident, you go and do it. Examples
You're often going
there.
to need to sort.
Okay. Last thing. Sometimes this may not play. For whatever reason, you're on iPads, you're on Microsoft old versions, or you're on a new version which doesn't have Flash enabled. Enable Flash. This will play. Don't worry. I need help on something. You go to YouTube. So for example, the words here on sorting data in a table, you open YouTube, you put Excel in, because you need help in Excel. If it's Google Sheets, you put Google Sheets in. Then just type the words you need help on. Okay, and click enter. Now there's lots of help out there. Okay, you can see there's lots of videos. It depends on how you're working at home. If you're on a different version of Excel, watch that video. If you're on something similar to school, watch the Excel 2016 video. You choose what you need the help on, but watching one of these will help you. Then go back to the work and get it done in there. Save it to your spreadsheets folder, go to the next task. Okay, have a go. If you get stuck, move on. There's doing graphs there. Okay, some of you have done graphs before, maybe a reminder, some easy ones here. Then we're going to advanced features. If you can get to advanced features, fantastic. When you're finished, save it, and remember, upload it to Class Notebook. The link's on the first screen. We're on lesson 3 from last week. As you can see, the work's been uploaded. I can look at it and give top marks. I cannot give marks unless you upload the work. I can't see it, I can't mark it, I can't give you a report to say outstanding work. Okay? Remember, everything you do, save it, upload it. Any problems, email me, but there's lots of video tutorials there for independent learners like you. Now you're in year 9, you should be able to figure out the basics yourself. But email me if you're stuck. Print screen or whatever problem you've got, or send me the spreadsheet with a question telling me what your problem is, and I will help you. But I need you to tell me what the problem is, not just I cannot do it. Okay? I can't help you with that. I need to know where you're stuck, exactly what question and what problem and what videos you've tried to watch. Okay, spreadsheeters, carry on. There's your work there. Make sure you do the one in red. As I say, half of you have missed that one out. It's so easy. Bye for now. Catch up later.